Alright, so this is my avocado grow up with a couple of sad looking little plants beside it that I have no idea what this is. I've been growing it for like a year. I'm gonna plant it outside, not sure what it's doing. But I've got them all in the plastic egg cartons. You can see down here, those two guys need to come out and get planted. And I've got this guy here that definitely needs dirt. He's just in water right now, but he's putting up some cute little leaves. This guy in the shot glass has been in there for a little while, and the tip has kind of dried out and died, but he looks like he's got some other tips trying to come up in there, so I'm gonna give him some time and see what happens. And these guys just don't know what they're doing. By the way, Sean, this is the view from my kitchen window. I think I want to trade you. And then I've got these guys here. This guy definitely needs dirt. He's doing well. This is Goliath. He is just a massive seed, but he has split. He hasn't put up a stem yet, but he's got some good roots, and I think I'm just going to plant him anyway and see what happens. And then I've got this guy that wants to be in some dirt. So I have to go into the back alley and steal some rocks. So I've got drainage layers for things, because I do plant them in the plastic cups, because it's a lot easier for me to figure out when everything needs to actually be watered. So yes, I thieve rocks from the back alley. What is wrong with me?